The Indian Institute of Technology Bombay is a public engineering institution located in Powai, Mumbai, India. In global rankings, IIT Bombay has emerged as India Euro 1 registered trademark top university. It is the second oldest institute of the Indian Institutes of Technology system. IIT Bombay was founded in 1958. In 1961, the Parliament decreed IITs as institutes of national importance. A high-power committee of Government of India recommended in 1946 establishment of 4 higher institutes of technology to set the direction for the development of technical education in the country. Planning for the institute at Mumbai began in 1957 and the first batch of 100 students was admitted in 1958. Since its establishment in Powai, the institute has physically expanded to include more than 584 major buildings with a combined area of more than 2.396 gross square feet. IIT Bombay has a comprehensive graduate program offering doctoral degrees in science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Currently IIT Bombay has a total of 14 academic departments, 6 centers, 1 school, and 3 interdisciplinary programs. Over the last 53 years, around 39,000 engineers and scientists have graduated from the institute. Educational programs here extend beyond the physical sciences and engineering into humanities and social sciences such as economics, English, philosophy, psychology and sociology and into management studies. Over the years, the institute has also created a niche for its innovative short-term courses through continuing education and distance education programs. History. IIT Bombay was the second IIT to be established in 1958 with assistance from UNESCO and with funds contributed by the Soviet Union. UNESCO agreed to provide equipment and technical experts mainly from the Soviet Union, while the Government of India accepted the responsibility for all other expenses including the cost of the building project and recurring expenses. The site chosen for the institute was Powai, 18 miles from the city of Mumbai, with an area of 550 acres which was given by the then Bombay state government. While construction was being completed, the first academic session of the institute opened on July 25, 1958. In its temporary home at the Synthetic and Art Silk Mills Research Association building in Worli, Mumbai with 100 students. These students were selected from over 3,400 applicants for admission to the first-year undergraduate engineering programs of aerospace, chemical, civil, computer, electrical, engineering physics, energy, mechanical, metallurgical engineering and MSc chemistry. One of the main objectives of establishing the institute was to develop facilities for studies in a variety of specialized engineering and technological sciences. The need for establishing adequate facilities for postgraduate studies and research was kept uppermost in mind in the founding years. While the institute was functioning provisionally at Worli, an effort was made to expedite the progress of the building project at its permanent location, and Jawaharlal Nehru laid the foundation stone of the institute at Powai on March 10, 1959. Campus. The IIT Bombay campus is located at Powai, a suburb in northeastern Mumbai, between the Vihar and Powai lakes. The campus is divided into clusters of buildings. The academic area chiefly comprises the main building, various departmental annexes and auditoria. All department annexes are connected by a corridor named Infinite Corridor. Beyond the convocation hall lie most of the hostels. There are a total of 15 hostels, of which 2 hostels and a part of the newly constructed hostel are for female students. Due to its proximity to the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, the campus is yellow and mostly untouched by the pollution of the rest of the city. The proximity of the campus to the national park has also led to occasional sightings of panthers, leopards and aerial crocodiles along the banks of Lake Powai. Sometimes they stray into the campus and chase a hunt. The institute has 2 swimming pools, football, hockey and cricket grounds, and tennis, basketball, squash and volleyball courts. It also has a students' activity center for various cultural and other extracurricular activities. In addition to these facilities, the campus also houses 2 high schools, one of which is a Kendriya Vidyalaya and the other is called IIT Campus School. Cultural and non-academic activities. The annual cultural festival Mood Indigo, usually held in the month of December, is the best event hosted by any student body and the largest of its kind in Asia. The most attractive feature of this four-day event are the influential personalities who have graced the festival like R.D. Burman, Amir Khan, Sir Mark Tully, Sachin Tendulkar, Porcupine Tree, Simple Plan, Mike Portnoy and many more. The organization is known for holding the best cultural competitions, games and musical concerts to draw out the best talent in the country. Cultural activities like dramatics, speaking, literary arts, music and fine arts also mark an important feature in the life of a student of IIT Bombay. Speaking and literary arts have always been very popular in the student community, with students actively participating in quizzing, writing and debating activities. IIT Bombay has won the prestigious National Law School Parliamentary Debating Tournament. The annual Science and Technology Festival of IIT Bombay, TechFest, which was started in 1998, is held in the month of January every year and is the largest of its kind in Asia. It comprises various events like competitions, exhibits and talks from guest speakers from around the world. TechFest 2009 was also the first event of its kind in India to conduct its events in other countries. Apart from cultural and technological activities, the campus is also involved in business activities with bodies like the Entrepreneurship Cell, which support the growth of startups across the globe. These college festivals are organized, financially managed and conducted entirely by the students of this institute. All these festivals and organizations are sponsored by private enterprise. Apart from these festivals, various other engineering streams-based festivals are also being organized to motivate students towards science and technology. These include Radiance, Zephyr, Azeotrope, PADAF, Metallurgy and Material Science Engineering, Agumani and recently, Orca. The institute also has an LGBT alliance club called Zathi. Organization. At the institutional level, IIT Bombay is governed by a board of governors with a chairman nominated by the visitor, the director as a member and the registrar as secretary. Besides this, there are 4 persons having specialized knowledge or practical experience in respect of education, engineering or science nominated by the council. 2 professors are nominated by the Senate. Additionally, 1 technologist or industrialist of repute is nominated by the government of each of the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. For all academic matters, the Senate is the authority having control and responsibility for the maintenance of standards of instruction, education and examinations and all other allied academic matters. The Senate is mainly constituted of all the professors of the institute and the director as the chairman. The key people in the execution of the institute's activities are the director and deputy director, who were assisted by dean, and the heads of the departments, centers and schools. The administration is managed by the registrar, with senior administrative officers being assigned for specific areas such as estate management, materials management, personnel management, finance and accounts, and academic affairs. Academic Office. The Academic Office of the Institute exists to facilitate, initiate and coordinate the academic work of the institute, particularly the teaching and assessment of students. It acts as the repository of grades and academic records of all students, both past and present. It provides administrative support to the Senate, which is the highest academic body of the institute. The head of the Academic Office is the Dean of Academic Programs, who is a senior professor of the institute. The dean is helped by a permanent administrative setup headed by a deputy registrar. Academic Office closely interacts with the Dean of Student Affairs, who looks after all non-academic problems of students. The DOSA, as the ex officio president of the Student Gymkhana, coordinates various co-curricular activities of students. Departments, centers, and schools. IIT Bombay has 17 departments, 13 multidisciplinary centers, and 3 schools of excellence. The academic departments in IIT Bombay include the following: Aerospace Engineering, Applied Mechanics, Biosciences and Bioengineering, Chemical Engineering, chemistry, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, earth sciences, electrical engineering, energy science and engineering, urban studies and planning, humanities and social science, industrial design center, mathematics, mechanical engineering, metallurgical engineering and materials science including corrosion science and engineering, physics. The following multidisciplinary centers are located in IIT Bombay: Industrial Design Center, Computer-Aided Design Center, Center for Research in Nanotechnology and Sciences, Center for Aerospace Systems Design and Engineering, Computer Center, Center for Distant Engineering Education Program, Center for Environmental Science and Engineering, Center of Studies in Resources Engineering. Established 1976, the center is involved in developing remote sensing technology and its application to natural resources management and environmental monitoring. Center for Technology Alternatives for Rural Areas, Center for Formal Design and Verification of Software, Sophisticated Analytical Instrument Facility, Center of Excellence in Nanoelectronics, National Center for Photovoltaic Research and Education, Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. The three schools of excellence in IIT Bombay are School of Biosciences and Bioengineering, Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management, Kanwal Rocky School of Information Technology. In addition to above, IIT Bombay also offers three interdisciplinary programs: Educational Technology, Industrial Engineering and Operations Research, Systems and Control Engineering, Academics, Programs. IIT Bombay offers a wide variety of courses of study in engineering, pure sciences, design, management and humanities with a primary focus on engineering. The university is a member of Links to Asia by organizing traineeship and student exchange, an international network of leading universities in Europe and Asia exchanging students and senior scholars. The institute conducts educational programs leading to the degree of Bachelor of Technology, Dual Degree, Master of Science, Master of Technology, Master of Design, Master of Management, Master of Philosophy and Doctor of Philosophy in the following areas. Every year, IIT Bombay awards degrees, BTECH, MTech, Dual Degree, MMGMT, MSc and PhD to more than 1,000 students. The undergraduate students at IIT Bombay are selected through the joint entrance examination of the IITs. At a given time, the campus is home to more than 6,000 people, students, professors, and non-academic staff. Rankings. Internationally, IIT Bombay is ranked overall number 233 globally and number 39 among Asian institutes in the QS World University Rankings, Quacquarelli-Symonds, for 2013. IIT Bombay failed to feature in top 400 in the ranking by the Times Higher Education World University Rankings of 2013-14. It was in India, among engineering colleges, it ranked number 3 by Outlook India in 2012, and number 1 by DataQuest in 2011. Amongst government engineering colleges, it was ranked number 1 by Mint in 2009. The international surveys conducted by Professor Jude Sommerfeld of Georgia Tech, USA since 1964 for every 5-year period as well as every year and also during the 5-year period during 2004-2009 which included all IITs and IISc. IIT Bombay is always ranked among the topmost in this survey. Development activities. Faculty members from IIT Bombay undertake industry-sponsored research and consultancy projects that are made available through the institute. These are funded by various national agencies like the Department of Science and Technology, Department of Electronics, Department of Space, Aeronautical Development Agency, Department of Atomic Energy, and Oil and Natural Gas Commission. Many are also working on projects of national importance. A few projects are also being funded by international agencies. Typically in 1 year, there are about 400 ongoing sponsored projects. The sponsored research has ushered in intense research activity leading to the formation of active research groups and has helped in the creation of modern research facilities in key areas. The Office of the Dean provides the necessary liaison with industry and sponsoring agencies. The office helps industry to identify faculty expertise and institutional facilities, and assists faculty in identifying industry problems. There are also a number of central facilities such as the Central Library, Central Workshop, and Printing Press. Many new research facilities have been acquired or developed in the last few years. One of the most important of them is the Computer Center, which started functioning in 1986 with facilities which have been continuously updated. The Computer-Aided Design Center, with its own mini-computers and workstations, supplemented by additional computing facilities, caters to CAD activity in chemical engineering and metallurgical engineering. Research groups like VLSI Design, CAD-CAM also have computing facilities which are accessible to other departments for development activities. Recently, work on developing medical implants has been initiated. The AutoCAD Network Research Cell was established in 2007 to jumpstart indigenous research and development activities in orthopedic reconstruction systems. Important experimental facilities set up by various departments include laboratories for robotics, biotechnology, microelectronics, microprocessor applications, telematics, remote sensing, low-temperature physics and aerodynamics. Notable faculty: Dipan-Osh, Indian theoretical physicist, best known for his exact enumeration of the ground state of a Heisenberg antiferromagnet, known in literature as the Majumdar-Osh model. He was the president of the Indian Physics Association from 2005 to 2007. C. V. Seshadri, N. K. Nick, Ram Puniyani, Manohar Vartak, Deepak Bhupatak awarded the Padma Shri in 2013. Notable alumni: List of IIT Bombay alumni are Dinesh Mohan, Vikas Joshi, Vipul Goyal. See also, Indian Institute of Technology Varanasi. List of universities in India, universities and colleges in India, education in India. List of Indian Engineering College rankings, Distance Education Council, University Grants Commission, Swarakakra, a text input system for Indic languages developed at IIT. References. External links: official website, alumni website.